Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how we can make tomato ketchup at home, only way. Start by roughly chopping 2 kilograms of ripe tomatoes, then simmer them slowly until soft and reduced. Add 100 g sugar and 50 ml apple cider vinegar, then stir in 1 tsp salt and spices to taste. Blend until smooth, strain for a silky texture, and simmer again until thickened to your preferred consistency. Simmer the chopped tomatoes gently, stirring occasionally until their volume reduces by roughly 1/2 and flavors concentrate nicely. Transfer to a blender for a quick pulse, then press through a fine mesh strainer to remove seeds and skins for a smooth, restaurant-style texture. Return the puree to low heat with the sugar and vinegar, and cook slowly until the mixture thickly coats the back of a spoon, stirring to prevent sticking. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like so we can make more recipes together. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after those grocery trips with tomato jars. It makes driving home nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can pick one up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Taste your ketchup and tweak the balance by adding more vinegar for brightness or more sugar for sweetness until it suits your palate. Let the ketchup cool completely before funneling into sterilized jars or squeeze bottles to avoid contamination and ensure safety. Store homemade ketchup in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, or portion and freeze for longer keeping, labeling each container so you know when you made it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.